good, YouTube? It's your girl Rin, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a eyebrow tutorial, and we're just gonna get right into it because there's not really much to say or explain. I just plucked my brows. Yeah, we're gonna fix that, but don't mind that. Look at the brows. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into the brows. First things first, you wanna just brush out your brows. So I'm gonna be going in with, I had this for like ever, but first of all, before I even got to clean and cleanse the face first, so we're just gonna go in with this. It is astringent. It's for sensitive skin. It's like deep cleansing. I like this product because I like the way it smells, and it works really well as far as like getting the dirt and grime. I washed my face already earlier this morning, and I wiped it because I had to pluck my eyebrows and stuff, and watch how much dirt like will still come off. See? Yeah, now that the face is cleansed, we're gonna moisturize. Global Beauty Care. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and put this on. That stuff is literally a game changer. I kid you not. Like, you see this glow? I thought aloe vera gave me the glow, baby. Get you some hyaluronic acid. I have this little test primer by Becca. It's a 12-hour shine control ever matte poreless primer perfection. And yeah, we're just gonna open this little packet, see if I like it. Yeah. It doesn't really have a smell, which isn't bad. I don't mind it. It's super thick. I like that because that means it's probably gonna work really good. We'll see. We'll see. I'm going in with the brow conditioning primer by Benefit. A little brush that I like. It feels really good on my eyebrows. You just twist it and go over your brows. This like really just allows the product to go on so much smoother than what it would without it. And it spreads the product a lot better than what it would be without it. We're gonna go in with this cute little brush here. And it's the angled brush, so yeah. We're gonna just go in with that. I like to start at the arch of my brow and kind of just drag it down the product, because the arch is everything. Once you have the arch, you can build the rest of the brow. So I just go a little bit forward after I start the arch and keep dragging it downwards towards the tail of the brow. So you see how it's like nice and dark compared to this side? That's perfect for me. So I'm just gonna start to fill in the front of the brow. I really never liked too much product on my brows. Like, I like the full brow, but not the super thick brow. You know what I mean? Yes. So just when you start to see just a little bit of color, that's like my cue to stop, because the front of your brow shouldn't look like a box. It shouldn't be like super filled in, because it's not like natural. When I do my makeup, I like to go for like natural looks, you know? So I try to keep it as natural as possible. I'm not really covering my face. I'm like enhancing my face. That's why I put on makeup. You know what I mean? So I kind of keep it simple. Got the product on first. Now we're gonna go into the top. So I never go like right on the line. I kind of make sure the end of the brush is on the edge of the line rather than being on the line, and just go in that way. Again, starting in the middle of my brow and working my way down, and come towards the front. A little bit of color, and boom. Then you just go in the rest of the brows, fill it in a little bit. And there you go. Yeah, there you go. Yes, this looks nice and good. Nice and good. So that's pretty good for me. I think they look nice and full, so I'm gonna just go ahead and blend it out. This is all you do to blend it out, is just brush it, the product. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to go ahead and just set my face. To set my brows, I just go in with a little bit of Maybelline. I forgot what shade this is in. I'll tell you. I just take your average brush and just blend it out, you know, so that it doesn't look so dark. I really don't like dark brows. It's called Maybelline New York Shine Free Loose Powder, shade 2. Got burnt. Yes, indeed. And then I just brush off the excess powder. This was Anastasia. Now it's just Eco Styler. It doesn't make a difference. So, yeah. They both get the job done. Yes, sir. Period. Travel the timeline. Double Jamaica. I'm going to go in with a rounded flat brush and just conceal and carve out the brow. You look at me. I look at you. Baby, my Valentine. Period. And I am all done. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end, and I hope you like my updated brow tutorial. Tell me if it's really different from my older tutorial that I have like when I first started my YouTube compared to now. And period. That's it. Just let me know if you like this video, if you want to see more tutorials like this or anything. Just interact with me pretty much. And yes, thank you so much. Mwah, 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 mwah. I love you all for supporting me and just sticking with me. Like, because I know I'm a little inconsistent, but it's okay. That's going to change. But yeah. See you in the next one. Gotcha.